Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. So first open Instagram apps. Then I need to go into the person that I think that maybe has restricted me, and then when I have come to their page, then what I am going to do is just click one of their posts. Now I am just going to scroll down and click on the comment symbol, then just leave a comment. So I have now posted this comment right here. I'm going to take another of my account and then I am going to come to this page and see if any comments are available in here. So keep watching. So now I am actually on another account on Instagram and I have come to the exact same page right here where I think the person has actually restricted me. So basically I am going to click on the post again and then I'm going to go back, and then as you can see there have no comment. So this account has actually restricted me. So this is actually how to know if someone has restricted you on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our YouTube channel.